What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright, so I had an idea. Ready? What's on my feet right now? Some Air Jordans, right? So I had an idea. So I'm like, what if I don't, like, what if I just walk around and try not to crease them? I think that's a great idea. So I'm gonna do it. See somebody. Don't hide. Don't. Oh my. Don't hide. What's up? I'm just trying to get the big pop. I'm just trying to get the big pop.
I just want to talk to him.
Dad, this is ridiculous.
I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him.
Wait, did I just killed him at the same time? Oh no, I didn't. Is my enemy building?
I have not received a single.
Ah, here we go, bub. All right. Like, relax.
For the love of God! For the love of God! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Oh, just show yourself already. Holy, stop hiding.
Fuck!
Oh! Oh my gosh. I actually did it. I did it.
We did it!
We did.
Do you honestly think you're
Oh
fucking
my gosh,
funny?
I sold that
Seriously?
so
You're a
bad.
fucking ugly little cunt, mate. If I ever see you, I'm gonna fucking...
Oh my gosh, where'd he go? Yo, you went flying, yo. Oh my. Oh, I swear. It die already, bro. Just freaking die already. Where's this? Oh yeah. Nah. Freaking hobo. Load it. God. Let me slide in there.
Man, the first time was so nice, I had to do it twice.
Oh! Flip. Oh my. Hey, let me get one more. Woo! That's not enough. Oh my,
shit.
bro, my fault.
Here we go again.
Woo! Woo! Yo, that has to be a clip. Boom. Wait, he wasn't in there? Yeah. Yo, this mythic is broken, dude. Where, oh, where would I? Ooh. Moundy. Oh my, it's a bot, bro. Look at him. He's oblivious to where he's going. Come here. Nah, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yo, this dude's a bot, bro. Come here. Come here. Stop shooting at me, Joe. Stop shooting at me. Oh, shoot. My fault. Alright. Oh, my. Peter, tatter, piddle, pair, one. Oh, my. Put that in a montage.